This is my mains powered Mantel clock. It's powered by a 110 volt synchronous motor. The motor runs too fast, it's not accurate. It's labeled 1 RPM. It actually takes 53 seconds roughly to complete a revolution. So it is compensated as far as possible with a 50 tooth and a 57 tooth gear, and it's reasonably accurate. What is special about this clock is that all three hands run on a concentric shaft. This is done by using a regular Meccano shaft for the minute hand, a piece of 3/8 inch diameter aluminium tube for the second hand, a piece of 3/8 of an inch internal diameter brass tube for the hour hand, so you can get all three hands on one shaft. The aluminium rod is coupled up to a sprocket wheel and is driven from the main drive at 1 RPM. That's good enough for a second hand. Then the hour hand has a plastic 57 tooth gear with the boss removed, so it's a press fit on the brass tube, and that's driven by a 19 tooth pinion in the normal way. It has quarter-hour chiming. I find this very useful, so I'll put it in any clock I make. And I must have bent this little wire somehow. Here we go. That happens every 15 minutes. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.